Today we're going to be looking at Bowie's voltage regulators on a spectrum analyzer to see how much noise there is compared to a baseline measurement. So Bowie has two voltage regulators right after its battery input, and those are, one of them is for its servos and DC motors at outputting at 6 volts. And the other is for its microcontroller outputting at 5 volts. Now we're just going to look at this just for really just for fun and for learning on the spectrum analyzer to see what it tells us. So we'll be using near field probes in the H field and just observing it really. Yeah, here we go. Here's our probe. So you can see this is like the baseline measurement. There's nothing happening here. And now we're going to see the frequency of the voltage regulators, the switching voltage regulators. So here I'm moving it and there's one, and on the screen, there I'll hold this and then I'll pause it. So on the screen we could see that all of that noise was around 41 megahertz. So that's interesting to know. Run it again. And we can move this around to different locations on the Bowie power pack where the regulators are, and we can see all sorts of different things. Like here's another one. So this one is also interesting. Oh, I missed it. But right there, that one is also at 40 megahertz. So now here we got to start to see an interesting pattern where there are multiple peaks. And alright, well that was certainly interesting, and there's always so much more to learn, and that was really just one small snapshot of the whole picture, ranging from 0 to only 200 megahertz, and there's of course way more. For example, Bowie's XB runs at 900 megahertz, so we weren't even looking at that as well. Thanks for tuning in. Bye.